Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Bumble account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Now, you will see a interface like this. You can log in using your Apple account if you have signed up or created your account with Apple, Facebook or a phone number. Select the options respectively from the screen. After that, click on Sign In button. After the verification is done, you will be logged into your account. So, that is how you can log into your Bumble account. To log back out, you can simply go to your settings and click on Logout button here. So, that is how you can log in and log out on your Bumble application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.